Okay, in the last video, I was showing you how to do the totals here, and I was updating these values here, and you could see automatically as I was updating these values, my formulas were changing, but my pivot table wasn't. So when we update values and we use a pivot table, what we sometimes have to do is refresh the data that's in the pivot table. Now, to do that in Excel, you click on the pivot table, and when you do that, you'll see you get some extra options up at the top here. I click off it, the options go away, click back on it, it comes back. What we need to do is click on the pivot table analyze button, and when we hit refresh, what you'll see, you can refresh the pivot table or refresh all pivot tables. And when you click refresh or refresh all, doesn't matter for me because I've only got one pivot table. I'll click refresh all. You'll see that my totals update because I've got new data in there. So it will pull that data back in. So there we go. I've hit refresh and all of my pivot tables have now updated. And now I can see that the values match up again. So, very quick skill. If you use a pivot table to help you with your calculations, you've got to make sure you refresh it. So that's click on the pivot table analyze, hit refresh, you're good to go.